Friends, this is third lecture on chapter first, knowing our numbers, integers, from your math book of class 7th. In this video, I will explain the division properties of integers. You have to write it in your classwork. Now, division properties of integers. First, closure property. Integers do not obey closure property. For example, 5 divided by 25 is equal to 5 upon 25. We have to divide it by 5. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 5 ja 25 is equal to 1 upon 5. And 1 upon 5 is not an integer. So, closure property is not true for division of integers. Now, second property, commutative property. Division of integers is not commutative. If a and b are integers, then a divided by b is not equal to b divided by a. For example, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. But 3 divided by 12 is equal to 3 upon 12. 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12 gives 1 upon 4. This 4 and 1 upon 4 is not equal to. Therefore, 12 divided by 3 is not equal to 3 divided by 12. So, division of integers is not commutative. Now, third property is associative property. Division of integers is not associative. If a, b and c are three integers, then a divided by in bracket b divided by c bracket closed is not equal to in bracket a divided by b bracket closed divided by c. For example, 24 divided by in bracket 4 divided by 2 bracket closed is equal to 24 divided by 2. 2 to the 4 is equal to 24. Now, in bracket 24 divided by 4 bracket closed divided by 2 is equal to 4 6 the 24. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 2 3 is 6. Here results are not same. Therefore, 24 divided by in bracket 4 divided by 2 bracket closed is not equal to 24 divided by 4 bracket closed divided by 2. So, the associative property of division is not true. For hence, the property of associativity is not true for division of integers. Now, fourth property is the identity for division. There does not exist any integer x for which a divided by x is equal to x divided by a is equal to a, where a is any given integer. Now, fifth property is inverse for division. There is no inverse for division of integers. It means inverse of an integer under division does not exist or does not arise. Now, the general rules for division are for integers. Plus divided by plus gives plus. Minus divided by minus gives plus. Now, plus divided by minus is equal to minus. Minus divided by plus is equal to minus. The important points are, when an integer is divided by another integer of the same sign, the quotient is positive. Here, the sign of both integers are same. Therefore, the sign of quotient is plus. The sign of integers are same to same. Second point, when an integer is divided by another integer of different sign, the quotient has a negative sign. Here, the sign of integers are of opposite sign. So, the sign of quotient is negative. Now, division by 0. Division by 0. Any integer divided by 0 is meaningless. If a is any integer, then a divided by 0 or a upon 0 is undefined. As A reciprocal of 0 is not allowed. Now 0 divided by any integer. 0 divided by any integer is always 0. As 0 divided by a is equal to 0, where a is any integer. Now we have to solve. Let us practice 1.3. Now question number 4. In this question we have to divide the given integers. First part is 21 divided by minus 7 is equal to 21 upon minus 7. As the sign of denominator is negative and we have to make the denominator positive, so we have to multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1. 21 into minus 1 upon minus 7 into minus 1 is equal to minus 21 by 7. As you know, plus into minus gives minus and minus into minus gives plus. 7 1 is 7 and 7 3 is 21. Therefore, is equal to minus 3. This is answer. Now, fifth part is minus 625 divided by 5 is equal to minus 625 upon 5. By dividing 5 by 5 on both sides. 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25 is equal to minus 125. This is answer. 12th part, 523 divided by 0. 523 divided by 0 is equal to 523 upon 0. As you know, the reciprocal of 0 is not allowed, so it is not defined or it is undefined. Now, question number 6. An elevator descends into a coal mine shaft at the rate of 5 meters per minute. If the descent starts from 20 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach 300 meters below the ground? In this question, we have to find the time taken by an elevator to reach the coal mine. Speed of an elevator is equal to 5 meters per minute. Height above the ground is equal to 20 meters. Depth of the coal mine below the ground is equal to 300 meters. So total distance is equal to 20 plus 300 is equal to 320 meters. So time taken by an elevator to reach the coal mine. As you know, time is equal to distance upon speed. This distance 320 upon speed 5 meter per minute. We have to divide it by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 6 is 30 and 5 4 is 20. 64 minutes. 64 minutes can be written like this is equal to 60 plus 4 minutes. As you know, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Therefore, this can be written as 1 hour 4 minutes. Now, question number 8. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees centigrade above 0. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? What would be the temperature at midnight? In this question, we have to find the temperature at midnight and time when the temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Temperature at 12 noon is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. Fall of temperature per hour is equal to 2 degrees centigrade. The difference of temperature from 10 degrees centigrade to 8 degrees centigrade below 0 is equal to 10 minus 8. As you know, the sign of temperature below 0 degree is taken as negative is equal to 10 plus 8. As you know, minus into minus gives plus. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18 degrees Celsius. So time taken to reach the required temperature is equal to 18 by 2. This fall of temperature. 18 by 2 gives 9 hours. So time when temperature is minus 8 degrees centigrade is equal to 12 noon plus 9 hour is equal to 9 p.m. This is answer. Time duration from 9 p.m. to midnight is equal to 3 hours. So temperature at midnight is equal to minus 8 plus minus 2 into 3 is equal to minus 8 plus 2 3 ja 6 and plus into minus gives minus is equal to minus 14 degrees Celsius. This is answer. Now question number 10. The product of two integers is minus 756. If one integer is minus 36, find the other integer. In this question, the product of two integer and first integer is given and we have to find the second integer. Let the other integer be x. Given one integer is equal to minus 36, the product of two integers is equal to minus 756. According to question, minus 36 into x is equal to minus 756. Therefore, x is equal to minus 756 divided by minus 36. Implies that x is equal to minus 756 upon minus 36. Here, sign of numerator and denominator is both negative. So, we have to make it positive by multiplying it by minus 1. Is equal to minus 756 into minus 1 whole upon minus 36 into minus 1 is equal to, as you know, minus into minus gives plus 756 upon 36 and dividing we get 21. So the other integer is 21. 11th question. An AC air conditioner cools the room by bringing down temperature by 4 degrees Celsius per hour. How much time it would take to bring down room temperature from 48 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius? In this question, we have to find the total time taken by an AC to bring down the room temperature. Difference in temperature is equal to 48 minus 24 is equal to 24 degrees centigrade. An AC cools the room by bringing down temperature is equal to 4 degrees Celsius per hour. So total time taken to bring down the room temperature is equal to 24 divided by 4 is equal to 4 1 4, 4 6 24 is equal to 6 hours. This is answer. Whatever I have done, you have to write it in your classwork. Now, homework for let us practice 1.3. Question number 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Which part? 2nd to 4th part and 6th to 11th part and 13th part. Now question number 5, question number 7, question number 9 and question number 12. You have to do it in your homework.